Hi, my name is Melissa van Dijk, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use Cosrx Centella Water Alcohol-Free Toner, which contains a blend of mineral water and 10% of Centella asiatica leaf water. Both are known for their soothing and anti-inflammatory properties, which help in skin barrier repair. It also contains betaine, panthenol and allantoin to increase hydration, help retain moisture and further strengthen the skin barrier. Its lightweight, non-greasy texture makes an ideal choice for all skin types, including sensitive and irritated skin. It's free from alcohol, fragrance and essential oils, it's suitable for daily use, and it's a great addition to any skincare routine. Now, as this is an hydrating toner, it should be used after your cleansing step, but before you apply your essence, serum, moisturizer and sunscreen if used. And to explain this further and present you with a visual guide, I've prepared a few example skincare routines in a PowerPoint, which you'll find in the description box down below. I want to quickly go over them so that you have an idea of how you can use it and include it in a skincare routine and using it along other skincare products. Now, the routines that I've created should be suitable for most of you, as I've carefully picked the products. But of course, feel free to exchange them to meet your individual needs, but the order of application remains the same. Now let's have a look at the morning skincare routine. The first step would be a cleanser. In this example, I picked Beauty of Joe Green Plum Cleanser, which is great for all skin types. It's a gentle gel to foam cleanser and very hydrating. Now wash your face with it, then pat the skin dry. And then apply the toner either with your hands or by spraying it all over and let it absorb into the skin. Next, you can use your favorite hydrating essence. I've included Cosrx Name Mucin and Beauty of Joe Ginseng Essence as examples. They add lightweight hydration and antioxidant benefits. Then follow with your favorite serum. I added a vitamin C and niacinamide serum for skin brightening and additional antioxidant support. And as you can see, I skipped the moisturizer as the products I've included should provide enough hydration and moved right away to the sunscreen. Now remember, sunscreen is important if you're heading outdoors, especially for prolonged periods, as it helps to protect the skin against premature aging, sunburn and even some types of skin cancers. However, if you're mostly inside and you do not have any direct sun exposure, you do not need it, of course. So the essence, serum or moisturizer could be the last step. As for the evening, I've created two example skincare routines. The first one includes a retinol and retinoid for aging concerns, mild acne or blemishes, and speed up the healing process of dark spots. So again, with the first evening skincare routine, you're going to wash your face with Beauty of Joseph's cleanser. Pat it dry, apply the toner, wait for it to absorb, and then move on to your retinol or retinoid, and lastly your moisturizer if needed. The moisturizer formulations I've included are very lightweight and should be enough for most of you. And in the rare case that you have dry to very dry skin, you could use a richer lotion or cream with petrolatum or shea butter. Now, the second evening skincare routine provides an example with an exfoliant when used along this toner. Now, there are different opinions and methods, and I do not want to go too deep into this, but essentially you could use the toner either before to add hydration and then use the exfoliant, or the other way around to first loosen dead skin cells so that the toner may absorb better into the skin. Or use Cosrx Centella toner in the morning and skip it in the evening. But when used together, I would give it a few minutes in between for best results. So test the different methods and see what works best for you. Now that's enough of theory, let's head into the demonstration. So we are starting off with properly washing the face using Beauty of Joseph's Green Plum Cleanser, which helps to effectively remove excess oil, dirt, sweat, even light sunscreen and makeup from the skin. So let's do this. First, wet your face with warm water. Then dispense a bit of the cleanser onto your fingers or palm of your hand. Rub your hands together to foam up the cleanser. And then massage it evenly over your face and neck for 15 to 30 seconds. After massaging, rinse it off thoroughly with warm water. If you're at the sink, I recommend using a soft, clean, damp microfiber washcloth as a helper. This helps to remove dead skin cells, oil, dirt, sweat and other impurities, and even the residue of the cleanser. In case you've used a washcloth, then rinse again several times afterward, making sure everything is removed. Lastly, pat all over the skin to remove the remaining water droplets from the skin surface. Now it's time to apply Cosrx Centella Alcohol-Free Toner. There are multiple ways you can apply it, but the ones that I prefer and therefore demonstrate are as follows. The first method is by spritzing 3 to 4 times into the palm of your hand. Then rub your hands together to distribute the product, and then blend it evenly over your face and neck. The second method is by spritzing it directly onto your face. Close your eyes and hold the bottle in front of you. Then spritz a few times, making sure the product is evenly distributed over your face and neck. Let it absorb for 1 to 2 minutes. And then, if there's still any excess left, pat it off with a clean towel. In both cases, you can leave the product on the skin, there's no need to wash it off. And then you can stop right here, there's no need to follow with anything else afterwards. It could just be a very lightweight hydration layer that feels comfortable during the day or night, especially for normal to oily skin. However, in this demonstration I'm going to recreate one of my evening skincare routines. And now I'm going to follow with my retinol to target my blemishes and aging concerns. Dispense a pea-sized amount of retinol or retinoid onto your fingertip. Rub fingertips of both hands together and then blend it evenly over your face and neck, avoiding the eyelids, corners of the eyes and lips. Again, leave it on the skin and do not wash it off. And lastly, I'm using CeraVe's Ultralight Moisturizing Gel with ceramides and dimethicone to add what I call a breathable seal, as it's not too occlusive but still locks in moisture effectively for a nicely hydrated finish. Dispense about 1 to 2 pumps or about a bean-sized amount onto your fingertips. Rub fingertips of both hands together and then layer it evenly on top of the other products, or only on the areas where you feel the need. Again, leave it on the skin and do not wash it off. And that's basically it. Remember that you can download the slides from the description box down below. And if you have any further questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section and I will help you out. I hope that you enjoyed this video and that you found it helpful. If you did so, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content, and I will see you soon in the next one. Happy skincaring!